Do 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 do. Good evening. This is Juke the Bulldog. We're putting love. You've all missed me. I'm back. I'm back from the caravan. Woohoo, woohoo. I'm back. I'm back. Yay! Hello. I miss talking to you though. All my friends. First of all, I want to say my Jakey Fufu. Mama, Jakey Fufu's mama, I love ya. My boy Jakey, he waiting to get his surgery. I love you, my boy. You have to be good and you do what they tell you. And you just rest up and take it easy. Hey, my Jake. Oh, I love my Jakey. He's my friend. He does the patrols. We go for the beer and that. I've been asked for a couple of shout-outs. Wendy Struthers with Maya and Kieran. Hey, Candy Davis, you're my friend, Candy. Dublin Bully and your mommy. Love you all. Harry Smith and Ruben, you pee your bed. You're a bad boy. Teddy, love my boy, Teddy. Where's Teddy? You're going to caravan soon. I'm not going to caravan now till next year. It's shutting up for the winter now. Ooh, I'll tell you about that in a minute. Then my friend Archie, Archie, he was cocking his leg, he's trying, he's some boy. Archie's wild, he's my friend, and his sister's called Fanny. That's a bit wild. And then of course Sophie, my friend Sophie, my girlfriend. Have you seen her? She's an international supermodel. Well, people, I was down at my caravan, but now that's it. Mum and Dad are going to close it up for the winter. I'm not happy. I mean, we live in Scotland, it's winter all the time. But I was down there, I was in the pub, I told you, and I got Guinness. I don't mind buying me Guinness. I drink beer, not the Guinness. I tried it, but it's not my thing. I like the cider and the beer better. When Dad's having a beer, I try and steal a lick of his can, and it is, Duke Cullen, what are you doing? But I was in the pub, and the man, I think he was trying to chat my mum up, and he was like, "Was that your doggy?" Mum's like, "Yes, this is my boy." And then he bought me a pint, and the woman put it in the bowl, and I was like, you know what I mean? Daddy said, "I think he fancies your mum." It was an old guy. Mum was like, "God's sake, you as well, you like." Well, I met a friend, Ruby, down in, she a Victorian Bulldog with her. She was 7. She was sitting nice. Mum said, Chuck, look at that girl. She be sitting on her bum, sitting nice. Me, I was running about the place like what I talk to everybody. I mean, God's sake. And then I tried to lift my leg at the pool table, and I tried to pee, and Mum was like, Chuck, don't you dare show me up in this pub, or I'll tan your ass, boy. Maybe another dog had done it. I was just like marking my scent. Mikey Kenner, Gracie, have you missed me? Granny Joyce, I love you, Granny Joyce and Roseanne. Well, what can I tell you, everybody? I had a wild time. I was out walking. Oh, there was bunnies, bunny fufu. There was like bunnies, like not like you, but like bunny rabbits. I was chasing them. I nearly pulled my mum off her feet. I was doing like, Mummy was water skiing. It was funny. My family was at the caravan. There was like cousins, and they was in my caravan. Drinking. I say, what's happening? Give me some grub. Well, that's it. Mummy's got a lot to do, so I've just a little quick to tell you about the things. I mean, humping legs. Do you want to know about humping legs? Well, the cousins came in the caravan, and what did I do? I humped your legs. But I mean, if you come in this house, I'll hump your leg. It's my way of saying, hello, introduce yourself to Juke the Bulldog. Do you know what I'm saying? Do all your doggies do it? Mummy says no, that I'm just a wild child. Well, I want to let you know I love you all. Jakey, you be strong. I'm thinking about you all. And just to say, I'll not be posting again on that American page because there was people was cheeky to my mama. Juke the Bulldog out. Do 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 do.